Okay, this is how I want you to do number 11 in your homework. The instructions ask you to use the logarithm method, which I'll show you in class, but I don't expect you to have to do on your own. So what I do want you to be able to do is to put data into your calculator and get to an exponential equation that fits the line the best, okay? And your calculator will do most of the work for you. So this is the data for number 11. You're given these 5 points, okay? Keep in mind that this is your x and this is your y. So my x's are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and my y's are 18, 36, 72, 144, and 288. So in your calculator, what I need you to do is you're going to go to add lists and spreadsheets, okay, which is this icon right here at the bottom of your screen, and you're going to end up in here. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to enter in all your x values. So these were my x values, and my y values are 18. 72, 44, 288, okay. Now your calculator wants you to give them a label. I like to use like x, x, and y, y. For some reason it doesn't like x and y, it doesn't let me do that, so I just put x, x, y, y. You can call it whatever you want though. And then this is the part where you can get your regression curve. You're going to go to menu. You're going to go to statistics, stat calculations, exponential regression. Then you're going to put in whatever your x list was. So this was I called it XX, and I called my y list YY. You enter those in, whatever you put up top, to label those columns. Then I'm going to click OK. Now what it does is it puts some information for me over here. It tells me what my A would be and what my B would be. Okay, so this is actually a regression line that fits this perfectly. So my A is 9 and my B is 2. So what that means is this is the A times B to the X. That is what the general equation is for exponentials. Okay, so the calculator gave us A is 9 and B is 2. So let me go back to the calculator. A is 9 and B is 2. So this is our equation, our general equation for an exponential. We're going to take the 9, I'll do it here, plug it in for A, and then I'm going to plug the B in for 2. And this is the exponential equation that fits that data. And it actually fits it perfect. So now I want you to try it with number 13. Hopefully you did this one with me on your own calculator to figure out how to do it. And now try to do this on your own with number 13.